Insert molding is a manufacturing process where metal, plastic, or pre-made components are placed into a mold and the molten plastic is ejected to cover and bond with the insert. Typical applications include threaded inserts, sensor housings, and functional brackets, enhancing wear resistance, conductivity, or structural strength. Compared to traditional assembly, insert molding reduces assembly steps while maintaining dimensional tolerances up to plus or minus 0.05 mm. It's an efficient way to improve part functionality and lower production cost.